TikTok. So, a little bit about TikTok. A little bit of an overview. It has 689 million monthly active users around the world. So it is definitely a global way to reach. It's growing. So when we're looking now, TikTok tends to skew younger. So you look at the population in the world, age 13 and over, you can reach 11.3%. That sounds like a small number, but the world, that's a lot of people. Number of new TikTok apps installed around the world in December of 2020, 56 million. So you can get your app out there by using TikTok. Female users as a percentage of the total between male and female tends to scale slightly male, 51 to 49, but that's a pretty good split, so you can reach both male and females. TikTok is on the rise. There's a little bit of video. You can watch that in the reading. 62% of U.S. TikTok users are between the age of 10 to 29, is what I'm trying to say. So it tends to skew younger, and TikTok users spend an average of 52 minutes per day on the app. And I can't tell you how many times I've caught them in class. 69% of the users in the U.S. are between 13 and 24 years old. Again, it typically skews a little bit younger, 18 to 24-year-olds. So right in that college sweet spot, 42% of 18 to 24-year-olds are on TikTok as users. 60% of users are female and 40% are male, which conflicts with what we were just saying a minute ago, where it said, oh, that's worldwide. Worldwide, we're talking U.S. here. So actually in the U.S., while the world is almost 50-50, right? In the U.S., it's 60-40 female. How about that? Who knew? That's something I learned. There's 1,000 plus major brands that are already using TikTok on business accounts. 200,000 plus average content views per post by active brands. So you're talking about brands you really know. 9% plus average engagement rate for posts on active brands. So it's something that's getting some reach. It's not like a big boy like Facebook or Instagram, at least not yet. But your brands, you know, Washington Post, NBA, Chipotle, those types of things, they can put videos on there and challenge people to do, like, say, the Guac Dance. Who doesn't like some good guacamole? You can face, I don't know, some kind of face ad. The most viral U.S. campaign in TikTok history. I guess just your face doing stupid stuff. I'm not sure. I don't get it. Maybe I'm just getting too old. You can create a TikTok business account. You can also waste a lot of time on TikTok, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about how you can take TikTok as a tool and advance your business. You can add a website and contact information. You can make data-driven decisions because you can get some algorithms, some information, some metrics, and some content performance, and you can access analytics. Guess what? I'm going to show you what that's about. But first, we got to get you a TikTok business account. Step 1, get on TikTok. Step 2, set up a free business account. Step 3, create and get discovered. Your whole thing on TikTok is to go viral. That's what you want to have. User interactions, the videos that they like or share, but you want to go viral for the right reasons. And you want there to be an outcome of going viral, i.e. they're going to come to you and buy things. You need, videos to like and share. You need to figure out, your target markets, who they follow, and figure out how to get slipped in there. Comments they post and create content, video information. You need caption sounds and hashtags. It helps if it's funny. Keep it appropriate, though. Device and account settings, language preference, country setting, that type of thing. Again, this is a global thing. Are you trying to reach teens in, like, Norway? Or are you trying to reach teens in, say, Atlanta? All right? you better be careful, because you might reach the wrong people. So TikTok content strategies: create engaging videos, create dynamic captions, something funny is good. Use hashtags, take advantage of music and sounds, engage with others, get creative, produce a variety of content. Create a branded filter, something that's just exclusive to your brand. If you see the major brands out there, they've all done it. Capitalize on trends and maybe create or join a challenge or a contest, and leverage your influencers and creators. Post often and at optimal times. We'll take a look at that here in a bit. And go live. People love live video. Just don't drag it on too long. Here's some things that Wendy's, I'm telling you, their social media must follow. And Chipotle have done, like, hey, here's how we're going to make this. This is a recipe for a guacamole. Looks like they've sliced up some avocados, so they're going to make some great guac. Wendy's is hilarious. Here they look like they put a tree in their house. Must be Christmas, and they hung a nugget from it. That's Wendy's being Wendy's. You can have your own challenge, like hashtag on my own challenge. You can have entrants, and you can try to sell things through that. Have a contest like Starbucks had with their design a cup, and ALS challenge, that type of thing. So Sophia Wiley, she was not expecting that. Up for the challenge. Show us your clean hands. So definitely wash your hands, and you can use this product as it's nicely placed there so people could know where to buy it to clean hands. Yeah, I thought washing hands was always a thing. Apparently not. Let's keep it a thing. Is that good with y'all? Then you can sell things like denim jackets, that type of thing, using TikTok. So think about how you use TikTok, things you follow, and how you could create things like that other people will follow, perhaps go viral, and then it leads to you making money, not just wasting time. That's what you should be aspiring to do. Here's Cameron from Walmart. All right, teaching a customer how to do the Dougie. So this must be the customer, and that's Cameron. Notice how it's not just Walmart's account. It's Cameron from Walmart. And you follow around Cameron, and he tries to do different things. Okay? Analytics you can see here. You can see your follower activities, what time of day they were active. Looks like here on the February 2nd and February 1st, you're looking at 10 a.m. Pretty busy in the 7 a to 7 p.m. Then drops off precipitously and go to the night because people are trying to get some sleep. Who's active? United States, Canada, Mexico, etc., etc. And when are they active? So they will tell you when they watched your videos, so you will know how to reach these people. So if you're selling like breakfast food, all right, and people are looking at videos at 10 p.m., it's kind of a mismatch, right? Unless you're trying to get them for the next day, which is no guarantee. So know who you're marketing to, when to market, and when to send them something. So like 10 p.m. you might want to send out a thingy for Wendy's. Hey, open late, come get some nuggets. TikTok advertising, don't make ads, make a new trend. You want to go viral, all right? You want to have a trend. You want to start a challenge. You want to participate in a challenge. You want to get noticed, all right? Not just for being you, but get your business noticed. You want to be attention grabbing, and you want to drive your ad receptivity through the roof. And this is one thing you can do in TikTok. It's very much attention grabbing. It's very much ad receptive, 21% more than other platforms. So it's one of those ones that's growing. I think a lot of people don't understand it, but I'm telling you, if you've got a product or a service that is aimed towards people 18 to 24, TikTok may be just the tool you need. All right, so you got Ads Manager. You can choose a goal. You can select your audience. Remember, select a specific audience here. Who exactly do you want to reach? And set your budget. Now, it makes it really easy to select your budget. We're going to talk about that here in a second. Design your ad. Go live. Then measure and manage your ad. Did it work? Did it not work? Why? Why not? Different ads here. Pringles, Pepsi. I can't even tell who this is over here, so that's a problem. Kool-Aid Man. Bumble. Some kind of dating type app. I remember back in the day when people actually talked to one another. It's crazy. So what are your advertising objectives? What kind of reach you want to get? Do you want to focus on traffic? Do you want to convert them to customers? TikTok's tracking platform has it all. Once you set up targeting, the smart system within TikTok will optimize ad delivery. So they'll give you some suggestions versus what your objectives are, and they'll try to help you. The budget, straightforward, very, very easy. You can set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Literally dollars that you want to spend on that per day. So maybe $5 a day, $50 a day, $5,000 a day, depending on what you're trying to do. You can do a standard delivery where it goes out over time. You can do accelerated where it rolls out really quickly. Kind of depends on your campaign, so make a plan. You can also do bidding, cost per mil. It's like a millage, 1,000 impressions. So CPM, mil is 1,000. The price you are willing to pay for 1,000 impressions. Optimized cost per mil, thousands impressions. CPM. The price you would pay to create 1,000 impressions, targeting users that are likely to complete the conversion or the app install if you're trying to sell apps. So, or if you're trying to sell boots the conversion to a customer. Cost per 1,000 views, CPV. The price you're willing to pay for 1,000 views of a 6-second or 2-second video. Cost per click, CPC. The cost you're willing to pay per click. So if they click on your profile and go into your website, you can convert them that way. So it really just depends on what you're trying to do and how you want to convert them. Whether you do the impressions, the optimized impressions, the views of just the videos, or the click on your links type deal. Okay? You can measure their ads. They have analytics, tons of data. In this particular one, there's not a lot of data. So you didn't spend anything today. And it gave you no output here. But this is what the analytics looks for. I wonder why they use this one. It's very blank. But you will be able to see if your ads are reaching the people you want from your dashboard within TikTok. So it's more than just a time waster. It's something that you can market with, and marketing with TikTok is an option, and in particular for those younger demographics, 18 to 24. Thank you for listening.